Let me tell you about the types of blocks in Scratch. There are 6 different block shapes: hat, stack, boolean, reporter, seat, and cap. Hat blocks. Hat blocks are the blocks that are designed to start a script. These blocks usually have a rounded top and a notch at the bottom of the shape. Other blocks can be placed below it but not on the top. In total, there are 11 hat blocks. Stack blocks. Stack blocks are the blocks that perform the main commands. These blocks have a notch on the top and a bump at the bottom so that other blocks can be stacked above and below them. There are 77 stack blocks. This is the most common block shape. Boolean blocks. Boolean blocks represent the conditional logic that returns either true or false. With a hexagonal shape, there are 13 of these blocks. Reporter blocks. Reporter blocks can hold values which can be numbers or strings. Shaped with rounded edges, there are 37 of these blocks. C blocks. C blocks are the blocks that are C-shaped and are also known as wrap blocks. These blocks loop the blocks within the C shape or check if a condition is true. There are 5 C blocks and they are present in the control category. Cap blocks. Cap blocks are the blocks that end scripts. They are shaped with a notch at the top and a flat bottom. You cannot place any blocks below them. There are 2 cap blocks which can be found in the control category. Students, let's know more. To remove a block, right-click on a block in the script area and choose the delete option from the menu. Likewise, we can remove a sprite by right-clicking on the sprite on the stage and selecting the delete option from the list. Okay, let us find out how to change backdrop of the stage. The new backdrop icons are used to change the background of the stage. We can either create our own backdrop or choose any backdrop from the available built-in options. Scratch provides 4 different options to change the backdrop of the stage. Let us learn about each one of them. Number 1. Choose backdrop from library. To choose a backdrop from the Scratch library, click on this option. The backdrop library window pops up. The library is divided into 2 sections, category and theme. Select the desired theme, choose any backdrop from the displayed list and click OK. The selected theme will be set as the backdrop of the stage. Number 2. Paint new backdrop. This option will open the Backdrops window editor, where we can create a new backdrop window according to our requirement. Number 3. Upload backdrop from file. Clicking on this option opens the select files to upload by app:/scratch.swf dialog box. Select the required file for backdrop and click on the open button. The desired image will be uploaded for the backdrop. Number 4. New backdrop from camera. Selecting this option allows us to click an image using the built-in camera of our computer system and imports it onto the stage as a backdrop. Students, let's know more. You can repeat the actions of the sprite as many times as needed. To do so, use the various blocks from the control block category, such as repeat, forever, etc. Let me explain you how to use motion block. Motion blocks are the blocks that control a sprite's movement. These blocks are color-coded medium blue. Block. Usage. Move 20 steps. This block moves the sprite the specified number of steps in the forward direction. To move the sprite in backward direction, type the number with the preceding minus sign. For example, -20. Turn 15 degrees. This block is used to turn the sprite in clockwise direction. To turn the sprite in anti-clockwise direction, use Turn 15 degrees block. Go to X0, Y0. This block sets the sprite's X and Y position to the specified value. It is used whenever a sprite has to jump to another spot. Go to mouse pointer. This block instructs the sprite to follow the mouse pointer or another sprite. Glide 1 second to x0, y0. This block moves the sprite smoothly to the specified x and y position in the specified amount of seconds.